Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to create some integrations. In this case we are going to integrate monday.com with Jira. For this particular task we are going to use Zapier. So go to zapier.com and feel free to create your account. At the moment I'm running a free version. It's 2023 and they changed the UI, so I feel like it's good to create a new videos about how it's all done step by step. So once we are at zapier.com and we are logged in, we want to click on create Zap, and we are starting with a trigger. The trigger is an app or software that we are going to use to start this whole integration. In our case, it's monday.com. As you can see, you have some premium options. For example, Amazon DynamoDB. This one you need to be subscribed even during the free version or the trial period. So I'm going to go with monday.com. Right now, we want to click on event that will trigger this whole integration. And let's go with the first one, for example. Right now, we just have to hit continue and click on your monday.com account. Click continue. Here you have to pick from the board ID. So the particular columns in your monday.com workspace. We can refresh the fields. As you can see, if everything goes by the book, there is this green dot. If not, you have to change something. So it's a yellow or a red one. But we have to skip this one, or we can skip this one and go straight to the actions. With the actions, as I told you, we are going to integrate it with Jira. And we have a couple of options: software server, service management, or software cloud. We are going to, for example, the first one, service cloud. Also, we have to pick an event. So it will create, for example, add attachment to the issue. We hit continue. Yet again, we have to log in into our Jira account. And as you can see, this account is expired. So, yep, you have to pick one from your workspace, obviously. Then it's just very two easy steps when you continue and test the trigger. Just remember, you don't have to always test the trigger. It will work fine 99% of the time. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.